Apple heard those complaints. With the Ultra 4, they are executing a structural engineering miracle. Leaked internal documents show that Apple is fundamentally changing the chassis of this watch, shaving off a massive 15% of its total thickness. That transforms the Ultra from a chunky diving instrument into a sleek, hyper-futuristic piece of jewelry that can seamlessly slip under a formal shirt while retaining maximum rugged durability. They're doing this by moving away from traditional internal brackets and using an advanced, high-precision 3D printed aerospace titanium powder frame. It's going to be lighter, sleeker, and completely change how this watch feels on your wrist. Do not let that slim profile fool you. Apple didn't sacrifice an ounce of power or durability. What they put under the hood is terrifying for the rest of the smartwatch industry. To understand how insane this watch is going to be, we have to look directly at the display. The Ultra 4 is moving to a cutting-edge Tandem OLED display panel. This is the exact same ultra-premium screen technology that Apple debuted in their top-tier iPads, and it's finally coming to your wrist. This panel is rumored to blast out an unprecedented 3,500 nits of peak brightness. Whether you are under the blistering, direct sunlight of a desert or navigating a pitch-black trail in the dead of night, this screen will be so sharp and vivid that it will look like the text is floating directly on top of the sapphire glass. Speaking of the display, the bezels are almost completely gone. Apple has figured out a way to shrink the black border surrounding the screen down to microscopic levels, pushing the display edge to edge. This means you get a visibly larger, immersive viewing area without increasing the physical footprint of the 49mm case. If the screen is that bright, and the body is 15% thinner, you might think the battery life would suffer. This is exactly where Apple's engineering team pulled off their second absolute miracle. Instead of dropping the battery life, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is pushing the limits of endurance further than we've ever seen. The secret weapon here is the all-new S11 processor, built on a highly classified, ultra-microscopic 2-nanometer architecture. This chip is so incredibly small and power-efficient that it draws a fraction of the energy used by previous generations. When you combine this 2-nanometer brain with watchOS's highly optimized background processing, the Ultra 4 is aiming for an astonishing 72+ hours of battery life on a single charge. We're talking about 3 full days of heavy, uncompromised outdoor use, continuous heart rate tracking, GPS navigation, and cellular connectivity without ever needing a charger. You could leave for a weekend camping trip, leave your charger at home, and return with battery life to spare. As impressive as the design and the battery are, the absolute crown jewel of the Apple Watch Ultra 4 lies directly on the underside of the watch case. When you flip the Ultra 4 over, you won't see the standard sensor array. Instead, manufacturing leaks confirm that Apple is implementing a revolutionary, redesigned 8-sensor array arranged in a perfect, high-tech ring pattern beneath a pristine glass cover. This brand-new 8-sensor matrix is designed to unlock deep, medical-grade health insights with pinpoint precision, virtually eliminating the watch's reliance on software algorithms to guess your stats. The sensors will read your body directly through your skin with unprecedented accuracy. The biggest breakthrough is the potential integration of real, proactive blood pressure monitoring trends. For decades, tech companies have tried and failed to accurately monitor blood pressure from a wristwear device without an inflatable cuff. Apple's new 8-sensor ring is engineered to break that barrier. While it won't replace a traditional doctor's cuff for instant diagnostic numbers, it is designed to continuously and silently track your blood pressure fluctuations and trends throughout the day and night. The moment your system shows signs of sustained high blood pressure or hypertension, the watch will immediately flag the trend, compiling a highly accurate dataset that you can export straight to your doctor. This single feature has the potential to catch cardiovascular warning signs long before they turn into medical emergencies. This new array is deeply integrated with an advanced suite of proactive artificial intelligence features built directly into the core of the S11 chip. The watch will no longer just tell you what your heart rate was 20 minutes ago. It will actively analyze your biometric trends, your sleep architecture, your skin temperature shifts, and your respiratory rates to predict your physical readiness. It will know you're getting sick or reaching a point of extreme physical burnout before you even feel the first symptom, warning you to rest and adjust your schedule. Security is also getting a massive hardware upgrade. For the first time ever on an Apple Watch, rumors are swirling about the integration of biometric hardware authentication, codenamed Apple Mesa. Apple is reportedly embedding a highly sensitive Touch ID fingerprint scanner directly into the physical action button or the side button housing. This means no more awkwardly tapping in a PIN code with sweaty fingers on a tiny screen after you take the watch off or complete a workout. You simply place your finger on the button, and the watch instantly unlocks, authorizes Apple Pay transactions, and opens your secure health data with a fraction of a second of biometric verification. For extreme athletes and wilderness survivalists, the Ultra 4 is introducing a massive upgrade to its communication hardware. Apple is ditching traditional LTE modems and moving directly to highly efficient 5G RedCap chips engineered specifically by MediaTek. This brings true, blazing fast 5G speeds to your wrist without draining your battery. Even more insane is the expansion of off-grid satellite connectivity. If you get lost deep in the backcountry where there isn't a cell tower for 100 miles, the Ultra 4 will connect directly to overhead satellites. Apple is expanding this tech to allow for true two-way satellite text messaging in non-emergencies. You can stay connected with your family and send status updates from absolutely anywhere on the planet, completely independent of cellular networks. When can you actually get your hands on this device? And how much is it going to cost? Historically, Apple keeps its major hardware announcements locked into a strict, predictable window. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is heavily expected to make its grand debut in mid-September, alongside the highly anticipated iPhone line. Pre-orders will almost certainly open the very first Friday following the keynote event, with the devices shipping out and hitting store shelves globally just 1 week later. Now, let's address the price. For 3 consecutive generations, Apple has held the baseline price of the Ultra line steady at $799. They did this to completely dominate the premium adventure watch market. However, given the sheer scope of the physical redesign, the massive structural cost of shifting to a 15% thinner titanium body, the implementation of the expensive Tandem OLED display, and that incredibly complex 8-sensor ring array on the back, supply chain analysts are divided. The consensus is that Apple will try their absolute hardest to keep the starting price at that magical $799 sweet spot to maintain their market position. But multiple prominent insiders are warning consumers to prepare for a potential structural price adjustment, hinting that the baseline could step up to $849 or even $899 to account for the heavy medical-grade sensor upgrades. Even if we do see a slight price bump, when you look at the total package, the massive battery endurance, the life-saving health monitoring, the extreme satellite communication safety nets, and the gorgeous new thin form factor, it is completely undeniable that the Ultra 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate wearable on the planet. If you've been holding off on upgrading, the leaks don't lie. The Ultra 4 is the definitive leap forward we have all been waiting for. It completely redefines what a wearable device is capable of, shifting it from a simple smartphone accessory into an indispensable, life-saving, rugged companion that lives on your wrist. Stay tuned, because as we creep closer to that September reveal, more supply chain secrets are bound to spill out, and you will not want to miss a single update on this game-changing device. If you are still holding on to your current APPL, you watch, or if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, you need to freeze what you are doing right now and pay close attention. Deep inside Apple's secret supply chain, a massive shift has just occurred. A series of highly classified leaks, design schematics, and sensor manufacturing orders have just slipped out, revealing that Apple is secretly constructing the Apple Watch Ultra 4. This represents the most radical, aggressive redesign in the history of Apple's wearable lineup. For years, users have complained about the same exact thing. The Apple Watch Ultra is amazing, but it's a tank. It's incredibly thick, it catches on your sleeve, and it feels heavy on your wrist. Apple heard those complaints. With the Ultra 4, they are executing a structural engineering miracle. Leaked internal documents show that Apple is fundamentally changing the chassis of this watch, shaving off a massive 15% of its total thickness. That transforms the Ultra from a chunky diving instrument into a sleek, hyper-futuristic piece of jewelry that can seamlessly slip under a formal shirt while retaining maximum rugged durability. They're doing this by moving away from traditional internal brackets and using an advanced, high-precision 3D printed aerospace titanium powder frame. It's going to be lighter, sleeker, and completely change how this watch feels on your wrist.